I'm taking out the drywall that's in the garage because whoever did it was stupid. It's because there are some objects above me right now. So, just having fun. Remember, safety is number one. I should be wearing a hard hat, but I don't have one. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, that's my phone, of course. See, when it comes to filming and working, it's actually a distraction. Oh yeah. The Ryobi reciprocating saw, or aka Sawzall, freaking fantastic. These wires is live. I gotta just keep careful around that one. And this is cutting through multiple boards at once. Now I do got some sketchy ass shit up in these frickin' up above in the little attic space. I got some sketches. Whoever lived here previously must have done some welding because I have some illegally installed gas lines that are loose up there, and I have air lines. It's absolutely insane what is up there. And I think he tapped into the stove, the gas line for the stove, drilled a hole through the house to where the stove is at, and then rigged, I'll show you. Here is where the stove is at, on the other side of the wall. And then he rigged a gas line up going over there, coming down through there, and then feeding these which I don't think the gas line is active because I think it's been turned off for a while. So, but still, I gotta be careful just in case. I don't want to freaking blow the house up. This dirty. All right, but what I got done so far is I got most of the insulation out. That looks so much better than what it was. Now my wife wants me to keep this back support, but I'm going to take that drywall out. Yeah, that looks so much better. We are going to keep that up because that's actually supporting, that actually is where the mount for the garage door is. But yeah, that looks, besides this stuff, all out there. See, we got that. We got that. We have, yeah, it's a lot. So all my tools, because they're actually in the way, all my Ryobi stuff is gonna go back in the house. And yeah, my wife and I just did talk to my wife. My wife and I are gonna rent a dumpster. This is too much. This is too much stuff to just once a week put out there in our garbage, and then just fit what we can besides our regular garbage. So we are gonna rent a dumpster and get this all out at once. Now so I am gonna have to organize that. But this tool, seriously, this did the trick. This does the job, and it does the job beautifully. All right, but before I can start bringing my tools back in, one thing I realized, so I don't continuously track all this crap in there, let's use the leaf blower for a different purpose. See, a leaf blower isn't just for doing leaves. I see it. That's why I have this one. I do not need that one to do this. Majorly going outside. So, now this is clear of debris. Just like that. No sweeping, no nothing. Ryobi does the frickin' trick. And of course, I am going inside myself, so let's clean the camera off. Alright, so what I got done so far is I got all that taken care of. After it's all cleaned up, it'll look a lot better. Sorry, it's dustier than shit in here. When we get the dumpster in, I am going to take off this aluminum siding. So because there's no reason to have it inside the garage anymore. So it'll look like a garage. But yeah, all I got left to do is that to there. Then I'm gonna call it I'll call it a day and start cleaning up. Oh, yeah, I'm beat. I'm not gonna lie, I am beat.